Hi, I'm Alexa and I'm the training manager at Medical Guardian, and today we're going to assemble the MGMini charging cradle. Now all these instructions can be found in your user guide right here, but I will give you a very quick demo. So the charging cradle consists of 3 components. There is some assembly required. So first is you'll want to find the small USB. You can see the size difference there. We'll want the small one, which is going to go into the back of the charging cradle. So we're going to go ahead and line that up and insert that into the charging cradle. The other end of the USB cord is going to go into the charging block, like so. The cradle is now assembled, so we'll want to plug it into power. The charging cradle will display a green LED light, which indicates that it is now connected and receiving power. And the charging cradle is now assembled, so you'll want to place your MGMini into the device to allow it to charge. The device takes 4 full hours to charge and will give you about 5 days of battery life.